Hey guys, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. And if you've been following us, you know that food preservation is a really big deal to us. We make tons of effort to dry can our flour, our sugar, our crackers, our cookies, to make sure that we have things in our pantry that we may want or that we may need in the years to come. So one of the things that we did 2 years ago is we dry canned some crackers and some cookies. And today I'm going to open up a jar of crackers that were canned 2 years ago. They were Ritz crackers, and I'm going to show you exactly how they withstood the test of time in our dry canning process. We love our crackers here, especially this time of year. It's a great time for snacks and a great time for get-togethers. And so I've got some brie cheese here, triple cream, and I have some Ritz crackers that I canned in 2018. I've not opened them yet, and I have me a little bit of red wine. And I'm going to show you how these crackers withstood the test of time and the way we can them. So let's check it out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open them up and see what kind of seal we have. Wow. Well, you heard that. That was a heavy vacuum seal. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to see how crispy they are. Very crispy. Now we're going to taste them with our brie cheese. Okay, so you heard the vacuum pack as I opened up that jar of Ritz crackers that I canned 2 years ago. So now we're going to taste it with our brie cheese, which is one of my faves, especially this time of year. Let's see if it crunches. It sure does, guys. So you can see that they are just as fresh as if we bought them today. So good. So this not only proves that you can preserve your vegetables and your dry goods such as flour and sugar by dry canning, but you can also do your cookies and your crackers. We will continue to do this to make sure that we have certain things in our pantry that we think that we're going to enjoy or need. And this also helps us save money, guys. If you see these things on sale, go out and get them. Get you some canning jars, and you want to do some dry canning. So I'm going to get to eating this brie cheese on these Ritz crackers. I love brie cheese. If you've not had brie cheese, it's a very buttery flavor, spreadable cheese on your crackers. So good. Anyway, we appreciate you watching. We have lots more hints on preserving your food. So you want to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. We'll be in touch in the days to come. Take care, God bless, and have a wonderful day.